Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
You got one chambered?
Yes.
Okay, for your protection of my protection?
No, we're not. They haven't taught you the law yet?
Apparently not.
Your brain is stupid!
What's going on, buddy? Soliaker here, and I was out with James Madison in Honor Your Oath in Ponce Inlet, Florida. I was out open carrying, and I guess they just didn't get the memo yet. I just, whatever. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. And, yeah, we're gonna get into some dumb and dumber stuff.
What's that? Yeah. What? It's an AR-15. I was fishing.
With a gun?
Yes.
Is that legal?
Yes.
No.
Yes. They haven't taught you the law yet?
Apparently not.
Well, do you know the law that allows you to openly carry your firearm?
Yeah, but I'm certified law enforcement.
Right, but it's a statute. There's a statute that allows you to openly carry.
No, I'm not saying to carry. I might have a problem with carrying, but you're allowed to
yeah, it's in the statute.
Fish with?
I'm not shooting fish. I was just out here with my protection. I'm fishing with my fishing stuff.
I don't see your fishing pole. That's why.
I know, no, it's in the water. It's right over here. I'm looking at it right now.
I don't see it.
I know, you might not see it, but it's in the water.
You got one chambered?
Yes.
Okay, for your protection of my protection?
No, we're not. You're not going to touch me, dude.
Okay,
I do not consent to any search or seizures of my property.
Okay, do you have any
I haven't,
Do
huh?
you have any identification?
I don't need any identification other than, my name's Mike.
Mike what?
It's just Mike. Right now, we're going to go through this under 379.354. The 379 statutes are specifically guided towards Fish and Wildlife Commission officers. I have a fishing license, which is valid. With a fishing license, and I am fishing under the law 790.25.
Do you have your fishing license with you?
Once again, you are not a Florida and Wildlife Commission officer. If you are a Florida Wildlife Commission officer, I have no qualms with giving you whatever you want to get, but you're not such entity. You know, that's why I say, like, it's crazy how you don't know the law. I'm not trying to.
Well, there's a lot of laws for me to memorize, and it's
right.
impossible.
But
you can't memorize. What's the state statute for running a stop sign? Do you know that?
I don't run stop signs,
I'm just asking.
But I don't run stop. But I don't run
My
stop.
question is, what is the state statute for running?
If I was running stop signs, I would learn that statute. But I don't run stop signs.
You don't know all the statutes.
But I know enough about the law that allows me to openly carry.
Okay, I'm not saying you can't openly carry, but you realize if you're out here,
I get
in
it.
a public beach, people are going to call the cops.
I get it. And hey, guess what?
You got a job to do.
Hey, you come out here, you see that I'm not breaking the law, and everything's good, right? Right? And that should be the end of it. That's what I would say.
We're just having a conversation.
Right. Well, there's also another statute it's called harassment of fishers, hunters, and
what statute is that?
It's going to be 379.104.
Everything's under 379?
A lot of it, because the 379 statutes primarily deal with fishing, and while I'm engaged in fishing, and if, you know, once again, I've told you I'm fishing, even though you can't see it, I can see my line in the water, I can see my bait in the water right now, and other than that, I am lawfully allowed to do what I'm doing. So at this point,
did I say you were violating the state statute?
No, but you guys are more than welcome to leave at any point. You know what I mean?
I'm also more than welcome to stand here.
And see, that's where I'm gonna pack my stuff. I'm gonna grab my stuff, and if I leave and you keep following me, that is gonna be it's a second-degree misdemeanor if you harass fishermen or hunters.
I think you're carrying on the conversation with me.
I'm about to grab my stuff and I'm dipping out, dude. I'm gonna move down and go to the next spot. If you continue to follow me, then it's gonna be considered harassment. Thank you. Guns do save lives, 100%. 500,000 to 3 million a year, guns save lives, compared to what, the 13,000, 14,000 that die from crazy people? 100%. All right, everybody. That's what I was coming here for right there. You see him? You see that? See him moving? See the little blue crab? Come on, buddy. You see him in there. He got himself trapped in there. I don't know how. He got out of my net. And I'm not going to try to mess with them because they got pinchers. But I'm out of here.